Hello everyone, welcome to this video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can disable auto updates over on your iPhone. So in order to do this, it's actually quite easy, so let's just immediately jump into the tutorial. So all you need to do is open the settings app on your iPhone, and once you've done that you simply want to scroll a little bit down till you find general right here. All you need to do then is click on software updates right here. And then you will need to be able to click on automatic updates, literally just right here. And then you have a few options that you may want to enable or disable. So you can have automatic downloads enabled, and what this does, it will literally just only automatically download your iOS updates. This can just be done in the background, and it does not require an iPhone restart. So yeah, I would recommend leaving iOS updates enabled. However, if you want to disable automatic iPhone updates maybe overnight or something, then what you simply want to make sure to do is disable iOS updates and disable security response and system files. And this will literally just completely disable automatic updates that may happen overnight or when they are simply charging. So yeah, that's literally all you need to do. If you learned something from this video, I would highly appreciate it if you could like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I hope I will see you in my next YouTube tutorial video.